i35equipment.com. This is the Bobcat T750 tracked compact loader skid steer. Welcome you come to look at this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany if you like. It is shown by appointment only, and we are open by appointment only. So please give us a call to get on calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. This machine looks, runs, and operates excellent. It is a garage kept machine. Undercarriage is excellent. Rubber tracks are excellent. It is hand and foot control. It does have that Bobcat Kubota motor in it. No DEF required. It is hand and foot control. Has a brand new John Deere bucket on it. Lots of power. Good loading height for loading trucks. Has all working exterior lights, 2 front work lights, 2 rear lights, and 2 rear tail lights as well. Just got serviced, fresh fluids. Be a great machine for farm, ranch, or construction site, landscaping. You hear the reversal arm working. If you or anyone you know has idle heavy equipment, our specialty here is consignment equipment sales. Give us a call or learn more about our consignment service on our website. It's www.i35equipment.com. Let him climb out, and then we'll hop up in there and take a look at the interior. So those tracks are in excellent shape. Undercarriage is excellent condition. Right where it should be. Tail lights are working as well as your reverse work lights. Brand new John Deere 78-inch bucket. Good size bucket for loading. Auxiliary hydraulics ready to hook on for any attachments you want to add. Working front work lights. Go zoom out to the fisheye lens and we'll hop up in here and take a look around. It does have that factory Bobcat seat in it, fire extinguisher. Alright, here's your display showing all your gauges. It may look like it's flickering, in real life it's not, that's just on the film here. It's your parking brake as well as your hydraulic lock. Headlights are on, currently sitting at 3, 4, 8, 6 hours. Headlights, auxiliary hydraulic control. No codes. Your left hand control. Your right hand control. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.